Hi guys, it's me Lee. Welcome back to another video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, so I'm removing my gems because my turtle fell off and it wound me up. And that's why we're doing this video. And as you can see on these two nails, one of them is the silver shells are dimmed. That's because I didn't put top coat on, and I did on the other hand because I forgot. And here I have a stamping plate that I got off eBay, and I was mentioned it in my mini haul video, and this was the plate that I was talking about, so I thought I would show you that. I'm also going to be doing a review on the dust extractor fan thing that I got, because it came finally, and I just wanted to let you know my thoughts and opinions on that. Okay, to start off with, I've got an old pair of nippers, and I'm just taking all the single gems off first, which was the easiest to do. I had a lot by far, even though you see me struggling a bit. And then I'm just getting the nippers under the gem as best as I can, and then just snipping them to try and remove them. I couldn't get every single gem off, because I must have got it on really good or something. And it was really annoying. As you will see me struggling. I did ended up pausing this video because it took me like 20 minutes total, and I didn't think you would want to see me sit and struggle for 20 minutes just removing off the one hand. So yeah. On this particular bit of the video, I couldn't get my hand in the right position. I needed something to support it, so I got this black thing. I actually got this from Nail Nails. I think it was like 25 pence. You probably can get it on eBay, but I would say it's probably cheaper from Nail Nails if you shop there regularly. You just stick it in your basket, and 20p, 25p, Bob's your uncle. Okay, so this is the nail extractor fan that I bought. I got this on eBay. It came with 3 bag things, and I'm zooming out to show you. It has a nice texture to it, and an on and off button. It has a European plug on it, and here I'm just showing you the fan and stuff and sorting out the bag. So my thoughts and opinions of this fan. Let's see, it's lovely to look at. It's got a nice texture and feel to it. It does not pick up every single nook and cranny. You know, like if you wanted it, if the whole point of an extractor fan is to save on the mess, and it still made mess. Maybe that might be the bag, you know, because obviously the bags are quite big, so it doesn't get to blow up as much. So it won't be able to breathe in all the air that it's. I'm assuming that's what it does anyway. Yeah, so I did ended up still having to clean up my table and stuff from dust from filing my nails and stuff, which was really annoying. And yeah, and it did pick up quite a bit, but I wouldn't say it was the best fan. But having said that, I only paid, I think it was just under £11, £12, sorry, under £12 for this fan. I will leave a link to this in the description box below if you want it. I would be careful though if you buy this particular one off this seller, because when I purchased this, it said it would be here by, I think it was 5 days after I purchased it, but the seller then turned around and said it would be maximum 30 days, which was annoying because I purchased it because I wanted it from a UK seller, and it did state it was a UK seller, so bear in mind, please be aware of that. But it did turn up eventually, so that's a bonus, I suppose. So here I am just wiping up so you can see how much dust actually escaped from the fan. That was just from doing it quickly and roughly over the one hand, and so it still left, you still had quite a bit of dust out, which is better than a whole heap of it, I suppose. So I use an e-file on my nail because, as you can see on the other hand, it's all lumpy bumpy. Minus the gem, that's what you want to do. You want to get as much as the gel that you used to apply your gems off, and that's why you use the file. It's faster with the e-file, and then you go over with your hand file just to make sure all your edges and your shape is what you want it to be, and obviously your cuticle area is important, and you shape up the end of your free edge, and that's what I'm doing right now. And off camera I ended up, file shaping and buffing top coat, and painting my nails a different colour because I missed the unicorn, the mermaid design that I'd put on and all my gems, so I just went for a simple look this time. So, and don't forget, when you do this, you also have to put cuticle oil on, because obviously you want your nails to be nourished and stuff, and obviously you're filing and you're abrasing your nails and stuff, and obviously that affects your fingers and your fingernails, and you want to make sure your fingernails are healthy. So all in all, this fan is actually a pretty good little fan. I would have preferred it to pick up like 90% at least of the dust, but it doesn't. But I suppose for the price of it, you can't really grumble. Uh, and the seller, obviously, I wouldn't recommend that seller personally, but if you want a cheap fan that looks nice, this is the one for you. Um, just be noted of the seller. I will leave a link for this fan in the description box below. Don't forget to take care of your nails and file shape and buff, and don't forget to cuticle oil. This fan feels nice, looks nice, just needs a bit more power, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. And I apologise for all the rambling and the umming I've been doing in this video. I am tired, so thanks for watching, guys.